So yes, have you done this one, this table?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mona.
Yes, sir.
This is frequency. Tell me all the frequencies, Mona.
Sir, 6,
6,
10,
10,
8,
8,
9,
9,
7.
7. So this is frequency. Tally will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. This one is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So everyone understood this part?
Yes, sir.
So now new term which I'll tell you is class interval. So this 0 to 5 or 5 to 10 or 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 or 20 to 25, this is known as class interval. Okay, this is known as class interval. Write it down, this one. With this examples, you write it down. What is class interval? Because 3-4 terminologies I will discuss now. You have done this grouping? Correct. Each group is known as class interval. So if I say 10 to 15 is a class interval. Now in this class interval, the lower limit 10 is known as lower limit. In the class interval 10 to 15, 10 is known as lower limit and 15 is known as upper limit. Okay. Again, I am repeating. In the class interval 10 to 5, this is known as class interval. 10 is known as lower limit. 15 is known as upper limit. And in this, one term is class size. We will say what is class size. This is one terminology, two terminology, three. Now fourth is class size. So class size is upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit is known as class size. That means 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10 equals to 5. We say that class size is 5. Class size is 5. Class size is upper limit minus lower limit is known as class size. Okay. Now this was the fourth terminology. Now fifth is class mark. Class mark. Okay. What is class mark? Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 is class mark. So my question is, first write it down, understand it and tell me whether you have any doubt or not.
Sir, I didn't understand the class mark, sir.
Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit. So what is upper limit here? 15. What is lower limit? 10 divided by 2. 25 by 2, 12.5. Class mark for this class interval is,
I'm unable to hear you that properly.
upper limit, class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So what is upper limit here? 15. What is lower limit here? 10. So 15 plus 10 by 2 is class mark. Any doubt in this 5 terminology? What is class interval? What is lower limit? What is upper limit? What is class size? And what is class mark? Anyone has any doubt? Varun, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then again I am repeating, this is like ungrouped data. We made a group data, that is 0, 5, 5, 10, 10, 20. We grouped it. These data we grouped it. This grouping of data is known as class interval. This grouping of data, this interval means 0 to 5 is class interval, 5 to 10 is class interval, 10 to 15 is class interval. Okay. Now you can then find it out that if the 5 should land here, not here. Correct? So this is known as exclusive. Exclusive means what? Excluding this one. Exclusive. 5 will come here, 10 will come here, 15 will come here, 20 will come here. Okay. So class interval. Now for this class interval, lower limit is this one, the smaller one, and the upper limit is 5, the bigger one. Now what is class size? Upper limit minus lower limit. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 is class interval. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 is class interval. 15 minus 10 is 5. Class interval. Class size, sorry. Class size is 5. 20 minus 15. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 5. 5 is class size. So this is also class size. Okay. 5 is class size. Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So class mark statement, my statement is, will the class mark change as class interval changes? Yes or no? Will the class mark change if we change the class interval? Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
If the class, will the class mark change if we change the class interval? Okay. So then I will give you one question and you will have to tell me um, like what all things, class interval, class marks, everything like this. Okay. Ashi,
Yes, sir.
are you not attending science class?
I'm attending, sir.
Yesterday did you attend?
Yes, sir.
You were there in science class yesterday.
Yes.
Tell me everything. Frequency, tally, class interval, class marks. Class size, lower limit, upper limit. One class I will tell you 40 to 45, and 45 is not included. 45 is not included. Now make everything.
Sir, like what should we find, sir?
Everything what I have taught you. Frequency, tally marks, class size, class interval, lower limit, upper limit, class mark.
Sure, we have to find the frequency of all the numbers. Third, we have to find the frequency of all the numbers.
I didn't get your question, Monita. Find the frequency of all numbers means what?
Like, show for each number over there.
That you have to apply.
Sir, can you say what word should we find?
I will write it here.
Sir, instead of the class size being 5, can we take it as any other number?
Yes, you can take it, but in the question it is given.
Okay.
This is part of question. Class interval is 40 to 40. One of the class interval is 40 to 45, and 45 is not included.
Sure, what is the last one?
class size.
So what's the sixth one?
Class mark. Anyone done?
Sir, I didn't understand the like lower limit and upper limit. Sir, in the first row, which is the upper limit that you should write, sir, or the full?
Upper means the other one, the higher one. Lower means the smaller one.
Sir, like and this mark, sir, which is the highest minus which is the lowest, which is the lowest is lower limit and which is the upper is upper limit. That's it.
Yes, upper in 40 to 45 class interval. 45 is what? Upper limit, and 40 is what? Lower limit. So
Yes, sir.
upper limit minus lower limit, that is 45 minus 40 will be the class size.
Sir, you can choose any number, sir, like any group of number.
No, yeah, this is given na. I have already told that 40 to 45. Then next will be 45 to 50, 55 to 60, 60 to 65 to 70, 70 to 75, like that it will go. You cannot have different when the class size it is mentioned 40 to 45, next will be 45 to 50, class size will be same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So should we do?
So one second.
So shouldn't we find the range?
No, range not range is, you can find range also. What is the highest number minus the lowest number will be the range. I've not, again, if you have found, it's okay. So since the 40 to 45 the class interval is given, so it will be 40 to 45 and 45 not included. Next will be 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65. Correct?
Yes.
Frequency. Shreyas, tell me the frequency of all.
The first one it is 4.
4. Wrong. Next will go Mohit. What is the frequency of first?
5,
5. 45 to 50,
7,
50 to 55,
11,
55 to 60,
7,
65 to 60 to 65.
5.
Very good. This is the only thing, and there is no mathematics. It's all about your accuracy of counting it. Other thing is in place. Frequency you have done it. Tally, so there is no mathematics. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tally done. What are the class intervals? 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, and 60 to 65 class interval. For every class interval, what is lower limit? 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. If we say the 40 to 45 class interval, 40 to 45 class interval, lower limit is what? 40, and upper limit is what? 45.
45.
Likewise for all, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is class mark? What is class mark? Shreyas? What is class mark?
So for the first one it is 42.5.
Yes, what you did? Class mark is 42.5, 40 plus 45 by
By
2,
2.
42.5. Like that you can find for all, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is class size?
So 5.
5. For all it will be 5. Upper limit minus lower limit 5. Similarly for all 5. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So I will send you RS Agarwal to 21A, 21B for everyone. RS Agarwal 21A, 21B. I'm sending the scan copy of these two exercises, those who don't have.
Sir, 20?
21A, 21B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 21A and 21B. Homework, I'll send the scan pages. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
do it. And before coming to the class, please submit your homework.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.